I would like to thank each and every one of you, not just for being part of this session or the seminar today, but also for being part of our journey and helping us to get where we are.
ख्वाहिशों के शोर से महफिल भरी सी है, कुछ मैं डरा सा हूँ, कुछ आप डरे से, दोनों तरफ है मिलने की आरज़ू, पर दरमियान कोरोना जैसी दीवार खड़ी सी।
वाह वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात।
वाह वाह, बहुत खूब मोहित, बहुत बढ़िया।
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
Thanks.
I can hear and see all the virtual claps and all the emoji claps that everybody is sharing. That's so wonderful.
Pandemic has really taught me, how to live life. The pandemic has really helped me understand the difference between the wants and the needs. How can we be the go-to organization wherein you continue to do your practice, but we are enabling you so that you are continuing to take care of your clients, right? You could be a trainer, a coach, or a behavioral transformation consultant, whichever way it could be, right? And now, what we are actively working on these days as an organization, we are developing a lot of neuroscience-based tools, because the new frontiers probably is things which we never used to talk about in the corporate training setup is going to talked about. A lot of research on the quantum physics is happening. In fact, my PhD, which I'm currently doing, is on possibility index, which actually captures what kind of sense of possibility we have. So you're going to create should be able to do that in the next 6 to 8 months or so. Then I wish to create community of people, who are able to show possibility to people. And when I say that, I come back with a research which is based on reaching out to close to about 1,200 people across the geographies, wherein I realized a lot of people don't even understand the meaning of the term possibility, right? What we're also doing is we want to encourage research scholars. And as an organization, we have decided that from this academic year onwards, we're going to sponsor 4 PhD research scholars or PhD students, wherein they'll become a part of us. They will do the research, but we are going to take care of their entire study expenses. So if there is anybody out there who wish to get enrolled into it, you can always reach out to us offline. And what we're also creating is developing new programs for your usage. When I talk of your usage, I mean, as I said earlier, as coach, as trainer, as consultant, master practitioner program we already have. We are doing a rejig of our ADLD program, working with some of the best brains in the world today to see how can we create transitions around it. We are going to launch a new program called which is You Can Design Your Life, which should be out by November 2020, and then you will hear more about it as we move on.
Let us invite Mr. Sameer Sotur. He is a technology venture architect who's joining us from Dubai to share his experiences with us.
I'm very pleased to be attending your 14th Founder Day. And I think the best environment to become more closer is nature. Nature brings us more closer together. And we've been missing the acquaintance of nature for the last 6 months plus, right? Because of the global pandemic.
हमारे बीच में एक ऐसे शख्स हैं जिन्होंने हाफ मैराथन 21 किलोमीटर की लगातार 21 दिनों तक करी है और इन्होंने लाखों लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है। So let's welcome a banker and athlete, श्री रितेश शर्मा जी का।
It is so unique to figure out that our body is binded by the thoughts we keep it in our minds.
Let us now invite our third panelist, Mr. Ajay Agarwal. He's an associate director at KPMG and head of the design thinking wing. So he is also the one who actually single-handedly built the design thinking wing at KPMG.
So I am a Haryanvi by origin, an entrepreneur by heart, and a consultant by choice. That's what I am. The future of design thinking is the design of a movement, and I get inspired by a lot by this guy who is there at the right hand side, and we all know him. He's Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation.
An Ironman who represented India in Ironman competition in Kuala Lumpur. For people who don't know what Ironman is, in Ironman competition, you have to swim for 3.8 kilometers in open water, which should be followed by 180 kilometers cycling and again 42 kilometers running. And he finished this in almost 16.4 hours.
Don't give up. The beginning is always the hardest. And for an Ironman event, the amount of fees that we end up paying is the most difficult part. Just reach the start point, 50% of your job is done.
I want to go to each of the panel member again, and just one word which they want to tell us, which I would say could be a takeaway from your side for us. What would that be?
The change begins with I.
Start. I think get onto the start line and get a team along with you.
I think just surround yourself with the guys who have the same objectives and goals. Will get you through.
If I were to just say a line for the benefit of everybody, Piyush Modi here is the founder of Curious Piyush. He's joined us from Amsterdam.
My name is Piyush Modi and my business name is Curious Piyush. I thought I should keep something as my name which I can live with and I can die with. I think curiosity is one thing which is which will take care of me for this life at least. No matter how much I would have drawn here, let's say tires and then maybe some, it will still be looking like a bus, right? Now what makes it a train is this thing. Steam. And do not be a perfectionist, guys. Here you do not have to draw electric engines. So it's okay if the world has changed to electric engines, guys.
Actually, I wanted to show something on the workshop which I did while the workshop was on. I tried to make Jimmy. I don't know whether it's visible. Yeah.
Wow, Jimmy, this is you.